In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add multiple roles under one company on LinkedIn. If you've been promoted, changed positions, or handled different responsibilities at the same company, LinkedIn lets you group those roles neatly under one employer. This makes your profile look more organized and helps show your career progression clearly. To begin, go to your LinkedIn profile dashboard. Once you're on your profile, scroll down to the Experience section. This is where all your work history is listed, and it's also where you'll add another role under the same company. Next, click the plus icon in the Experience section. This opens the option to create a new experience entry. From there, click Add Role. This is the key option you want if you're adding another position under a company that already appears on your profile, rather than creating a completely separate company entry. Now click into the job title field and enter your title exactly as you want it to appear. Be specific and use the title that best reflects the role you held. After that, click into the organization field and enter the company name. Make sure you select the correct company from LinkedIn's suggestions if it appears, because that helps LinkedIn group the roles properly under one employer. Then click into the location field and add the location for that role. This could be a city, region, or another location format that matches how you worked in that position. Next, open the location type drop-down and choose the location type that fits the role, such as on-site, hybrid, or remote. Then open the employment type drop-down and select the employment type for that position. After that, click the month drop-down and choose the month when the role started. Then click the Start Year drop-down and select the correct year. Accurate dates are important because LinkedIn uses them to display your career timeline in the right order. Now move to the Highlights field and add useful details about the role. This is where you can mention projects, problems you solved, responsibilities you handled, or measurable results you achieved. Try to keep this section clear and achievement-focused, so people quickly understand your impact. If you want to strengthen the role even more, click Add Skill and include any relevant skills once the field appears. You can also click Add Media to attach supporting items like projects, presentations, or other work samples that help bring the role to life. Once everything looks right, click Save. That's it. Your new role will now sit under the same company on your LinkedIn profile, giving your experience section a much cleaner and more professional look.